Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakia if you are new here. Today's makeup look definitely did not go according to plan. I originally sat down to create a soft pink everyday glam, but somewhere along the way it turned into this smoked rose glam look, and honestly I ended up loving it. So let's get into how I achieved this soft pink smoky eye situation. First, I'm priming my eye with this cream base. It's no longer available, which is why I'm not saying like a specific brand name. And this is just to help make sure that the color's true pigment really picks up once I start applying my eyeshadow. You can also use a light concealer color. Once I apply all of that product, then I go in with my concealer brush and start to blend it out so that you don't see all these streaks and that we have like a nice smooth flat base to start with. Once everything is all blended out, then I move on to using a translucent powder or translucent setting powder to set my eye area. In this video, I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe, and this is the volume 2 palette. And you don't have to have this exact palette to achieve this eye look. Definitely check out the names that I'm calling out so that you can use whatever you have at home already. So I'm starting out with the color Homebody, which is showing up as like this rust orange color. And I'm applying that higher, a little bit higher than my crease, and I'm using a fluffy brush. Next, in my outer corner and in my crease, I'm going in with Temptress, which is this black eyeshadow. Again, making sure to blend out everything very well. This is actually the point where I turned off my camera because this look was not coming out how I wanted it to. But then I turned it back on because I was like, I'm not wiping this off. I'm gonna try to fix it somehow. And now we're moving on to the lid, and I'm tapping in this corally pink color. It is called Positivity. And I'm making sure to pack this on my lid multiple times, applying more product because I do love how this color looks and I really want the pigment to show up. And I'm even going a little bit above my eyelid when applying this pink shade just because the black eyeshadow was a bit much for me, not gonna lie. So I was raising the color up just a tiny bit more so that the black eyeshadow didn't seem so intense. I've been loving the look of eyeshadow with some sparkle on there, but it's not like full on glitter. So that's exactly what I did here is I applied Drama Queen very carefully onto my lid so that you can see some sparkle, but it's not like a complete foiled glitter eyeshadow situation. It's very subtle, but you can still see that it's there. And with this, you want to make sure that you're doing tapping, patting motions. You don't want to like swipe or anything like that. Tap, pat. I do also want to mention that because that rust orange was throwing me off, like, yeah, it threw everything off. I did go back over it after I applied like the black eyeshadow to my crease and above. I swiped a little bit of Comfort Zone just so it wouldn't be as rusty orange as it was. For eyeliner, I love to use liquid eyeliner, and the liquid eyeliner that I'm using today is by Elf Cosmetics. And of course, we have to apply lashes, and these are such a cute, wispy, wet looking kind of lash from Shein. If you've been wondering how to apply your own strip lashes, I do have a video coming up on how to apply your own lashes. So definitely make sure that you are subscribed and your notification bells are on so that you know when that video is live. And right here, you are able to see kind of the finished look of the eyeshadow look. So I was able to salvage the look. It just turned into a different eyeshadow look. I've already applied my bronzer, blush, and highlighter. I'm using the new Juvia's Place blush palette and contour highlighter palette and everything like that. I actually filmed it for TikTok, which is why you don't see me in this video applying it. So make sure you are following me on TikTok as well. Okay, so not only did my eyeshadow not come out the way I was planning on it coming out, but my lip combo didn't come out the way that I wanted to at first either. But I am applying the Morphe lip liner in Trendsetter, and when I did get my lip color together, I just went in with Kat Von D Lolita and called it a day. But it definitely took me a few tries to get to that shade of lip color. But here is the finished look and all the imperfections that came along with it. But yeah, let me know what you think, and thank you for watching.